Hey YouTube, another beautiful day in Melbourne, another recording session. Heading out to the studio to mix Southbound Snake Charmers. Meanwhile, go check out this lick. Alright, this next lick is a jazz inspired lick. So this one works on a C7 sharp 9 chord. Beautiful dissonant chord which lets you play a lot of outside notes, chromatic notes, and really spice it up, right? So I'm kind of visualizing this one on this shape. So that's the C7 and on top is the sharp 9. And I've got a Leslie sound on my plugin. So you can also put the sharp 9 on the bottom or on the bass. So this one starts on the flat 7th of the chord, which is the B flat, and that's on the 8th of the D string. So right off the bat you get a chord tone to start your line from. And so the timing of this phrase is that it starts on the end of 4. So the end of 4, you feel it like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you start on that last end. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright? So you start from there. So it's 8 on the D, 9 on the D, 10 on the D, then 8 on the G, 9 on the G, 10 on the G. Then it goes to 9 on the B, 8 on the B, back to 10 on the G. Then from there you slide to the next note, which is the 11th on the G. And then 9 on the B, 11th on the B, then 9 on the E, 8 on the E, then you 11th on the E, which is the sharp 9th on this chord, and then 9 on the E, and then end on the root, which is the 9, which is the 8th on the E, C note. Okay, so we'll play it one more time slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's speed that up a little bit. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Play that a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3. Alright, so you've got to keep that swing feeling going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so use that jazz inspired lick next time you're on a jam session and you want to impress the other players. Alright, so if you like this kind of stuff, please consider giving me a subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave me a comment, give me notes on what I can do, what kind of stuff you'd like me to cover. Alright, so see you next time.